Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm just going to show you real quick how to reset the maintenance light on a 2017 and up Toyota Corolla. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go ahead and turn on the car. And it's giving you that message, maintenance required. So you're going to hit the back button like it says to do right here. You're going to go next 3 times until you hit settings. Then you're going to go to schedule maintenance and just select by clicking the button. Reset data, yes. And the data has been reset. You just go back, put it back to where it was if you would like. Go back to the information screen, and that is it. Okay, now some of you might be thinking, why would I need to see this video if more than likely you guys, if you're under 30k miles, you're getting your car serviced at the dealer, and normally they will reset the light at the dealer. But in some occasions, I mean, us as techs, we do work on hundreds and hundreds of cars, so once in a while we'll forget, you know. Also, there's other people that just like to do their oil changes themselves, you know, so I guess this is for those people that do their own oil change, just in case they can't figure out how to reset the maintenance light. And that's pretty much it, you know, for this video. So please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.